on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Hope you all are having a great day. We are back at, my favorite spot, Raul's Automotive. Got some more updates for the Corvette Time Attack build to go over today. Got a lot of the parts in, thankfully. Got some work done. So we're going to go over some of the new parts that I got. What's up, John?
What's going on?
Got Mr. Downforce here. We're going to get the car unloaded. Are you excited for the new parts?
I am.
Do you know what I have?
Wheels, seatbelt, bracket, and I don't know. What else do you have?
The LG track box.
Oh, yeah. Apex wheels, freshly powder coated. Sweet, let's check them out.
We'll get them unboxed. Well, let's get them inside. We'll get them unboxed. So strong, John.
Oh, man.
Ended up ordering the Apex SM10 wheels, 18 by 11 fronts, 18 by 12 and a half rears. That'll allow me to run the Yokohama AO52s that I have in a 315 square setup.
All right, let's check this thing out.
Apex SM10 matte black.
Ooh, knurled finish too.
Has knurled beads. It's flow formed. Also, a big shout out to Matthew at Harker Heights Ceramic Coating for getting those wheels ceramic coated for me. Makes it easier to clean up after a track day.
I think they're badass, man.
You were looking at getting a set of these
I
as
am.
well, right? Yeah.
I am going to get some of these, yes.
These things have been out of stock forever. I got lucky. One of the guys in the Corvette Facebook group I go to, St. Paul's Speed and Performance, I think. I'll leave a link down below. And they said that they had some at the port that they had unsold. So I bought them up and they arrived 5 weeks later. So it's trying to get wheels right now is a big pain, so I'm glad these came in. Gorgeous. Another big part that came in the past couple weeks are the G-Speed Penske shocks that I had ordered. Penske shocks, eye-box springs, remote canister, single adjustable. Fits all within the Street GT Grid Life Time Attack rule set, so pretty fancy stuff. John's going to get those installed last. He has been working on getting the sway bar installed, the spherical bushings, the camber kit, and all the goodies on the inside, the harness bar, the harness, the auto blip, the seats, and I think in the steering wheel, of course. I think that's it. We also got the lap bar in so we can mount the lap belts for the harness. Forgot who makes it. I ordered it from Corvette Mods.
That works online, maybe? That works? I think it is that works. Yeah.
That works. Vet Works, where we make vets work for you.
She's a pretty one.
Does that look about right, John?
Yes, that is correct. That is right.
I ordered that. It took a week to deliver, so not too bad. I guess John's been waiting on his. We also got the LG track box. Basically, it defeats the TPMS sensors, so you don't have to run TPMS sensors. If you don't run TPMS sensors, it can kind of freak out the Corvette a little bit without that box. So I'm also going to be running a square tire setup, and this will disable traction control when the car started instead of having to push down push and hold down on the button for 5 seconds, which, you know, it's not a big deal, but it helps.
All right. Well.
All right. Any last thoughts, John?
Hopefully I can get it done by Friday evening, so you can pick it up on Saturday and go do some testing.
Yeah, want to go out next Saturday, do some shakedown runs at the driveway, make sure everything's okay. There's a time attack event up in Crescent I want to do on the 23rd, I think, 2 Saturdays from now. So hopefully we get the car done. Hopefully everything works. All the parts are in, so it's just a matter of finishing up the install. Everything should be good to go. But that's going to do it for this video. If you liked what you see, if you're interested in the build, make sure to subscribe, ring the bell, stay tuned, and we will see you later.